Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be a Temu try on haul. This is unsponsored. I purchased all of these items on my own. As you guys know, I've worked with Temu several times in the past and I absolutely love their clothes and I'm addicted to their website. So sponsored or not, I'm going to continue to purchase from Temu, but today's video is going to be all me spending my own coins. So if you want to see what I got and my honest thoughts as always, please keep watching. I wanted to buy some more of their pajamas because I absolutely love the way they fit, how they look. I started off by ordering these superhero ones. Let me show you guys. These are the ones that I ordered originally and I've worn these out. I've got so many compliments on my videos of where did these come from, and they fit so good. They do not shrink and they last a very long time. I've been having this for about 2 months now. So I ordered some more and this is the outfit that I got. You guys know that I'm a coffee lover, and of course it says latte clock, because I love an iced coffee, latte, whatever you want to call it. I just love coffee. So I got the shirts and the tops because I get hot at night. So this fit really good and the material is good. Speaking with coffee, I love this one. It's a short set, it's spaghetti strap, and of course it's so cute because it says coffee, super comfortable. Same material as the other one, so I know that it won't shrink on me and that it'll last. Okay, so this one is super soft. I love the way it fits. It's the leopard print, and again, this is the same material because I know they're gonna last. I just had to get them in different colors. So here is this one. Okay, so this one is an immediate yes, y'all. It is so cute. I love the material of it. It's light, thin and lightweight. I do wish it could be a little bit longer. It kind of hits me right at my feet. So once I put heels on, it may be a little cropped, but it's sucks me in here. It's super tight and cinched in. It goes all the way up. It is, like I said, thin, but I'm okay with that because here in Louisiana, it gets super duper hot. But I love the material of it. I love how it looks. I love how it fits. I'm going to keep it. It's a yes. Let me turn it off for a minute. Also, let me tell you guys how good their Temu return policy is. I placed this order back in the beginning of June, and now we're in August, and I'm just not doing this try-on haul. And I opened up my package and something was broken inside there. I immediately went to them and they basically just refunded me my money, and I did have to return the broken pieces. And I still have 90 days to try these on and return them if I don't like them. So that's a really good return policy. Excuse me. Okay, so this whole outfit from Temu is just screaming Adrianne. Oh my goodness. These pants are linen pants and they fit so good. I have them in khaki, black, and now this orange color. This is my third time purchasing these in different colors. I absolutely love them. When I wash them, they don't shrink. They stay true to size, which is really good. The top, of course, this is my first time ordering it. But to be transparent, when I first ordered it, it came with this, it had like a little black spot on here. And I messaged Temu and told them that I had a spot on my shirt. No questions asked, refunded me my money, and I have to keep the shirt. So I'm still gonna wear it. I'm gonna try getting it out with some shout, but I love this. I think I might wear this to work today. Yeah, I am. Okay, this is a super cute, of course I keep saying cute because everything I got is cute, two-piece outfit from Temu. It fits really good. I love the loungewear of it. It has pockets. This is an immediate yes for me, and the color of it is giving. This is screams my name. This lighting looks bad. It screams my name. Okay, maybe I should do it without the lighting. This outfit screams Adrianne. I love it so much. Alright, so here's the next. This is a two-piece. I turn the light off to make it a little bit better to see, hopefully. This is a two-piece set. The way the girl had it on the show, on the ad, it was kind of like this. So, but that's just not my vibe. So I went ahead and tucked it in and made it like a two-piece outfit. Super cute, has pockets. I can see myself wearing this on vacation, on a Saturday evening, running errands, whatever. I think it's really good quality as well. This is actually one of the better qualities from Temu. So it's nice. All right, so this piece here is a one-piece jumper. It fits really good. It reminds me of something that I've ordered from Amazon. It's nice and stretchy, and I like it. I like the way it fits, but I can see myself pairing it with this top here and making a whole little outfit with a side bag. And this is a whole nother fit. Okay, so here's another two-piece outfit that I absolutely love. It's a button down here, and it goes like this, like a two-piece, but I just tied it up to give it some character here. It fits really well and it has pockets, so it's a yes for me. Okay, and last but not least, I got this dress to wear to church, but it's too short. It's too short for my liking. It comes way up here in the back, which is just a no for me. I wouldn't feel comfortable because I raise my hands in church, which makes it even more shorter. It does have pockets. It's just a no. And the material is too thin for me. For white, it's way too thin. So this outfit's going to be returned. But everything else I'm going to keep. If you guys enjoyed this video, oh, let me show you one more thing. I purchased this shirt for Micah. The material of it is giving more, not cotton, it's more of like a stretchy material. So he hadn't seen it yet, but I got this. I thought this would be cute for him. This is another shirt that I had got, Brown Sugar Babe. I had originally brought this to wear with those orange pants, but I'm still gonna keep this shirt. Again, it's more of like the polyester material, not cotton. All right, but that concludes this Temu try on haul. If you guys enjoyed it, please be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel on your way out. I will have all the links and my code for Temu down below if you're interested in purchasing any of these items that I featured today in today's haul. Other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. What was that? Bye, y'all.